In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your billing receipts from Grammarly. If you've been wondering how to access these important documents, you're in the right place. Whether you need them for business or personal records, downloading your Grammarly receipts is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First off, let's start by logging into your Grammarly account. If you're not already, open up Grammarly and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to head straight to the Account section. Now, you might be wondering where exactly this is. Typically, you'll find this by clicking on your profile icon or your name, nestled somewhere at the top corner of the interface. Once you're in your account settings, look for Subscription. This is going to be your go-to tab for anything related to your account subscription details and, of course, your billing history. Click on this tab and we'll be moving right along. As you scroll through your subscription details, keep an eye out for the Billing History section. This section might also be labeled as Billing Receipts in some accounts, but it'll contain the same information you're seeking. Here's where all past transactions are neatly documented. Now, if you're looking for a receipt for a specific transaction, simply spot the PDF file icon right next to that transaction. Clicking on the icon will promptly download a PDF file of your receipt to your device. It's that simple. But what if you need all your receipts at once? If you're doing some heavy organizing or bookkeeping, downloading each receipt individually can be a bit tedious. Fortunately, Grammarly often offers a handy download all option. Simply click on this option if it's available, and you'll have all your receipts in no time, making the process both quick and efficient. Now, let's talk about customizing your receipts a bit. Sometimes you might need to add additional details, like a purchase order number or a specific note. If that's the case, you'll want to look for an option in the Billing Receipts area that says Add Details or Update. Clicking there will allow you to make these modifications, ensuring your receipts contain all the necessary information required for your records or audits. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember, having access to your billing receipts helps you keep track of your expenses and ensures you always have the necessary documentation when you need it. Go ahead and give it a try. Happy archiving, and see you next time with more tips and tutorials.